Are you tired of feeling like your belly fat is holding you back? I know exactly how you feel. You've tried everything, diets, yoga poses, maybe even some strange gadgets you found online, but nothing seems to work right. Well, what if I told you there's a way to make your belly fat cry? Yes, you heard me right. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a series of exercises that will have your belly fat shedding tears in no time. Reverse crunch. This exercise primarily targets the lower abdominal muscles, helping to tighten and tone the area often associated with lower belly fat. Lying toe touches. Lying toe touches engage both the upper and lower abdominal muscles, aiding in overall abdominal fat reduction. Plank oblique dips. By engaging the oblique muscles on the sides of the abdomen, plank oblique dips help to trim excess fat around the waistline, leading to a more defined midsection. In and outs V crunches. This exercise combines a traditional crunch with a leg movement, effectively targeting the entire abdominal region, including both upper and lower belly fat. Lying bicycle crunches. Lying bicycle crunches engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the rectus abdominis and obliques, which can help in burning calories and reducing overall belly fat. Rolling plank. Rolling planks engage the entire core, including the deep stabilizing muscles, which helps to strengthen and tone the abdominal area, contributing to fat loss over time. Incorporating these exercises into your fitness routine can help you effectively target belly fat and achieve a slimmer, more toned midsection. Remember to combine them with a balanced diet and regular cardiovascular exercise for optimal results.